Hey everyone, just wanted to do a basic video of how to do Palauan Billum. I try and make things here in San Antonio, Texas feel like home, so you know I didn't forget my roots. Grandma made cassava or billum back home in Guam, and I loved it. I loved eating that with chicken or fish or the soup. So I'm gonna teach you how to make the very basic, especially for those Palauans that are living abroad and missing a lot of things. I figured this will help you, be happy. So you're gonna start off with a cup of cassava flour, and then you're gonna go with the cassava flour you can find anywhere over at Walmart or any Asian store, Indian store. I bought this one particularly at Whole Foods. And then you're gonna have coconut milk, a cup of coconut milk. I prefer this product because it's actual coconut milk. It's real coconut milk. Every other product I don't like, because they're artificial, but they can, you can still use it. It still works. It's okay. But I prefer this product. They're not sponsored through this video or anything like that. I just sharing you what I prefer. And then you're gonna use the corn shucks. Obviously you're gonna mix the product in there, and then you're going to take the mixture and then put in the corn shucks. I prefer tea leaves, but they ran out at the Asian store, so this corn shucks will do, and it still works. And then you're going to use the twine, cooking twine. Make sure it's cooking twine. Don't use any other rope. They're poisonous if it's not cooking twine, so just make sure you get those cooking twines. And of course, here's my measuring tools and my mixture bowl, and you're going to boil it in here for 10 minutes. Okay, this is a mixture for one person. So I'm gonna make one billum, and then the rest I'm gonna do what I call stuffed billum. I have some Asian pork that I cooked. So you can do, again, stuffed billum with Asian pork, meat, or chicken. So it's up to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll show you the product here shortly. So I've wrapped up the tapioca in their corn shucks. And this is the stuffed one. So I have the corn shucks in there, but I put the foil in it to get more grip on there, or at least to so that it won't leak out. But yeah, that's the stuffed pork, and the rest is billum. So you can steam this, by the way, but I don't have a bamboo steamer, so I'm gonna go ahead and boil this like Grandma does, and I'll show you here shortly what it looks like at the end. Okay. All right, so it's boiling away. I also forgot to mention that you don't have to use the corn husk. You can throw them in just like that. So if you squash them in a bowl, you can steam it or throw it in the boiling water just like that, or wrap them up in the corn husk. I like the corn husk because it just reminds me of home, and you can actually taste a little bit of a corn, just a little corn in there, but it's not that major. But yeah, you can throw it in there by itself and it'll cook. But yeah, I'm gonna wait. I know I said 10 or 12 minutes, but I'm gonna do 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so be back. All right, so here it is, done, all cooled down. But this is, came out exactly. I'm recording and doing this at the same time as Grandma's billum. It's still hot, but yeah, it's exactly what I have. But like I said, you can put this in boiling water by itself, raw. Like you didn't need the husk or anything like that. But I like a little hint of corn in there. But yeah, you can put this definitely in the boiling water, steam it, or anything like that raw without the tea leaves or anything like that. But if you like the tea leaves, definitely use the tea leaves if you'd like. But it turned out well. So have fun in the kitchen. All right, bye. I forgot to show you my stuffed billum, which has the pork inside. So you can see pork is inside the stuffed billum. But yeah, that turned out really, really good. I already took a bite out of it, and it turned out amazing. Yeah, this is stuffed. Very good.